Hello, food lovers, travelers, and curious minds. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your go-to destination for all things culinary across the globe. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who loves to dive deep into food cultures from the comfort of your home, we've got something exciting for you. Join us as we embark on a delicious journey, uncovering the stories behind the world's most amazing dishes, the ingredients that make them special, and the traditions that keep them alive. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable culinary adventure celebrating the best of farm-to-tableware fresh, locally sourced ingredients meet your plate. Let's dive in. Farm to table, the dishes that celebrate agriculture. Agriculture has been at the heart of human civilization for centuries, and its influence is most evident in the food we eat today. From the lush fields of Italy to the rice paddies of Southeast Asia, every region has its own special way of celebrating the harvest through food. The farm-to-table movement highlights the importance of connecting directly with the source of our food, honoring both the farmers who grow it and the land that nurtures it. Today, we're going to explore how different cultures and their culinary traditions bring local produce and agricultural treasures to the plate in the most delicious ways. 1. Italy. The heart of the Mediterranean, pasta alla caprese, a dish rooted in agriculture. Italy, with its rich soil and bountiful harvest, is a perfect example of the farm-to-table philosophy. In the coastal region of Campania, a dish like pasta alla caprese combines the freshest tomatoes, basil and mozzarella from the surrounding farms. This simple yet delicious dish exemplifies how Italian chefs turn local produce into culinary masterpieces. The tomatoes, which are ripened under the Mediterranean sun, are harvested in summer, while the mozzarella comes from the lush pastures of nearby farms. The combination of these ingredients, often prepared in a rustic kitchen overlooking the sea, is a true testament to Italy's deep connection with its agricultural roots. Farm-to-fork experience. To truly experience this dish, you'll want to visit the fields and farms surrounding the island of Capri or the Amalfi Coast. Imagine walking through rows of vibrant tomatoes, picking fresh basil, and tasting mozzarella. That's so fresh it's still warm from the production process. This is the essence of farm-to-table in Italy, where the distance from the farm to your plate is mere steps. 2. Mexico. A fiesta of fresh ingredients. Tacos de Nápoles, a taste of the Mexican countryside. In the vibrant heart of Mexico, tacos de Nápoles bring together fresh cactus pads, corn tortillas, and locally sourced herbs. Nopal, a cactus plant grown in the Mexican desert, has been a part of the indigenous diet for centuries. The preparation of this dish is deeply connected to the land, with ingredients harvested from local farms and brought straight to the family kitchen. The fresh cactus is grilled to perfection, paired with tangy salsas, and served in a soft tortilla, making every bite a celebration of the land's bounty. Not only is this dish delicious, but it's also a reflection of how traditional agriculture in Mexico supports both local diets and regional economies. Farm-to-fork experience. Visit the markets in Oaxaca or the small farms near Mexico City, where you can witness firsthand how nopals are harvested. In the countryside, you'll see families hand-picking these cacti, preparing them for sale, and sharing their knowledge of this age-old practice. 3. Japan, a harmony of land and sea. Sushi with locally sourced rice, a delicate balance. While sushi is often associated with fish, it's the humble rice that plays a starring role in this iconic dish. In Japan, rice is more than just a staple. It's a symbol of the country's connection to agriculture and the land. Locally grown rice, harvested in the fertile plains of Niigata or Hokkaido, forms the base of sushi, while the fish is carefully selected from the surrounding coastal waters. The process of making sushi is a beautiful representation of how Japanese cuisine honors both the sea and the land. From the exacting care taken in cultivating rice to the sustainable fishing practices followed along the Japanese coasts, every element of sushi is deeply connected to Japan's agricultural traditions. Farm-to-fork experience. If you're in Japan, take a trip to the rice paddies in Niigata, or visit a sushi restaurant where chefs source ingredients from nearby farms and waters. The experience of seeing how rice is harvested or how fish is caught, followed by the preparation of sushi, is a rare and enriching way to connect with the land and sea. 4. India. A celebration of spices and seasonal vegetables. Aloo gobi, vegetables that reflect the land's bounty. In India, the farm-to-table concept has been a way of life for centuries, with regional dishes reflecting the seasonal availability of fresh produce. One classic example is aloo gobi, a simple but flavorful dish made from potatoes, cauliflower, and a mix of spices. The key to this dish is the seasonal harvest of cauliflower, which thrives in India's varied climates. Paired with potatoes grown in the fertile fields of Uttar Pradesh, aloo gobi is a vegetarian celebration of the harvest. India's diverse agricultural landscape ensures that fresh, seasonal ingredients make their way into kitchens, And dishes like aloo gobi celebrate the flavors of the land. From the soil to the plate, it's a dish that's rooted in the earth. Farm to fork experience. Head to the villages in Rajasthan or Punjab, where local farmers are still cultivating traditional crops using organic practices. The local markets are bursting with fresh vegetables, and you can watch farmers gather produce like cauliflower, potatoes, and a variety of fresh greens that will eventually make their way into a hearty dish like aloo gobi. 5. France. The ultimate farm-to-table destination, ratatouille, a classic Provençal dish that honors the farm. When we think of farm-to-table, France naturally comes to mind. In the sun-drenched fields of Provence, farmers harvest tomatoes, eggplants, zucchinis, and fresh herbs to create the beloved dish, ratatouille. This vegetable medley, slow-cooked with olive oil and fragrant herbs, perfectly showcases the rich produce grown in the fertile soil of southern France. With agriculture at the heart of French cuisine, this dish not only highlights local crops, but also celebrates the connection between the land and the people. It's a reflection of French farmers' commitment to producing high-quality, sustainable ingredients that form the backbone of the country's culinary traditions. Farm-to-fork experience. Visit a local farm in Provence or the vineyards in Bordeaux, where you can see firsthand how fresh vegetables and herbs are grown and harvested. The experience of tasting freshly picked vegetables while overlooking the beautiful countryside is an unforgettable part of any French culinary adventure. 6. Thailand. A flavor explosion straight from the farm. Som tum, the freshness of Thai ingredients. Thailand's famous dish, som tum, or green papaya salad, is a perfect example of a farm-to-table dish that uses fresh local produce. The key ingredients, green papaya, chili, lime, and peanuts, are all sourced from Thailand's fertile farmlands. The papaya, harvested when still young and green, is shredded and tossed with lime juice, fish sauce, and chilies to create a tangy, spicy salad. This dish encapsulates the vibrant agricultural traditions of Thailand, where local farms supply the freshest produce to markets, and the knowledge of using these ingredients has been passed down through generations. Farm-to-fork experience. To truly appreciate som tum, visit the markets in Chiang Mai or the farms around Bangkok, where you can see the ingredients growing in the fields. You'll also get the chance to watch the skillful preparation of this dish and perhaps even learn how to make it yourself. 7. Peru. The land of soup de ceviche, a dish that honors the harvest of the sea and land. Peru is home to one of the most diverse agricultural landscapes in the world. Ceviche, made with freshly caught fish, locally grown corn, and vibrant fruits, is a dish that perfectly embodies the connection between the land and sea. The country's rich biodiversity allows for an incredible variety of ingredients that are used to create dishes with complex yet fresh flavors. The fish in ceviche is often caught just hours before it's served, and the vegetables, including sweet potatoes and corn, are sourced from Peru's high-altitude farms. Farm-to-fork experience. Head to the coastal cities of Lima or the mountains of the Sacred Valley, where you can visit local markets and farms to see where these incredible ingredients come from. From the fishing boats to the farms, ceviche is a dish that shows how Peru's agricultural and fishing industries work hand in hand. A global celebration of agriculture. From the rolling hills of Italy to the vibrant markets of Thailand, Farm to Table is a movement that celebrates the intimate connection between the land, the farmers, and the chefs who bring their produce to life in delicious ways. Whether you're savoring a bowl of pasta, tasting fresh ceviche, or enjoying a plate of aloo gobi, you're experiencing not just the food, but the story of the land that produced it. We hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey through the world of farm-to-table dishes. Wherever you are, take a moment to appreciate the agricultural roots of the food you eat, and support local farmers who help bring the freshest ingredients to your table. Stay tuned for more food adventures from Global Eats Uncovered.